art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a cute Cinnamoroll milkshake. So first we're going to get started with our eyes. And on the left hand side, we're going to start by drawing in an oval. We're going to leave quite a big gap in the middle now, coming across on the right and just replicating that. In the top left-hand corner of both eyes now, we're going to draw in a circle for the highlight. And then we're just going to color in the rest of the pupil black. Now let's draw in the mouth directly in the middle. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down and up. And then from that point, bringing this line down and back over on the right. Let's draw in an arch line underneath for the mouth now, curving this over and across. And then just for the tongue, drawing in a curved line that arches across. Let's draw in the cheeks. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and in. We'll do this on both sides, just leaving a gap in the middle. Let's move up now and draw in the top. So we're going to start with the cherry over here. So we're going to draw in a small curved line for the bottom of the stem, arching that out towards the side of the page. And then stepping up again, just curving that over, ending that at roughly the same height. Now from here, we're going to curve this line down on the top. Creating the cherry underneath now, we're going to draw in a nice big circle, connecting that together. Let's draw in the whipped cream up above now. So on the left-hand side here, we're going to arch this across towards the side of the page. From that point, we're going to bring this out, across, back in. Now on the left-hand side, curving this out and up towards the middle. From that point, bringing that down and over. And then again, curving this around, back in towards the cherry. Now let's draw in the ears. So on both sides of the cream, we're going to bring this line out, over, and across towards the side of the page. Out, down, and over. And then from here, we're just going to arch this around and in towards our cheeks. Let's come up and draw in the straw. So beside the cherry stepping down, we're going to draw in a diagonal line coming up, stepping in, replicating that, and then we're just going to close that off with a straight line. Let's move down now. We're going to draw in a curved diagonal line coming up, leaving an even amount of space. Let's replicate that. And we're just going to do that again one more time. Let's come down and draw in the arms now. So we're going to curve this back around and through towards the center. Now on the right-hand side, curving this down. Let's arch this across again. And then from that point, we're going to bring that over towards our left arm. Now on the side, we're going to curve this around and in. From that point, bringing that over and up. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a small curved line in towards the middle. And then again, from that center point on the right, just curving that across. Let's draw on the outside of the glass as we come down now. So on both sides, we're going to draw a diagonal line that joins in towards the middle, ending that at roughly the same height. We're going to close this off on the bottom with a curved line from left to right. Let's step further in now. We're just going to replicate that, leaving an even amount of space as we come down on both sides. And then from here, closing that off again with a curved line on the bottom. Now let's step up for the rainbow pattern. We're just going to draw in a curved diagonal line coming out. Let's step below, bringing that over and in towards the top. Again, let's move down, bringing that over. And then again, one more time as we move down. And that is it. That's how you draw a Cinnamoroll milkshake. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.